The Avenger Accessory number 3 video is entitled A Dollar Tree Avenger Placemat. The objective of this video is to illustrate how to make an Avenger placemat for less than $3 in 10 minutes. The supplies needed for making this low-cost Avengers placemat include purchasing one padded Dollar Tree dish drying mat that's 12 inches long by 18 inches wide, a single layer of Avengers fabric that's 11 inches long by 17 inches wide, a tape measure, thread, scissors, and a sewing machine. This folded and padded dish drying mat was purchased from the Dollar Tree for $1. It has dimensions of 12 inches high by 18 inches wide. The placemat, when opened up, shows 12 inches high by 18 inches wide. Padded placemats provide an extra level of protection for your table surface while eating. Open up the double-layered Avenger fabric and cut one layer of Avenger fabric that's 11 inches high by 17 inches wide. With the right side facing down, fold in 1/2 inch around the edge of the Avenger fabric and press. Place the Avenger fabric face up in the center of the drying mat. Pin in place and using a 3 to 3.5 length stitch, top stitch 1/4 inch from the edge of the Avenger fabric. Once this is complete, you may iron with a warm iron and the mat is ready to be used. This particular picture illustrates how decorative fabric can be used as a placemat for the holidays and other occasions. This video illustrates that Avenger placemats are easy and fun to make by purchasing a padded dish drying mat from the Dollar Tree and fabric from your preferred fabric retailer. These placemats can be made in 10 minutes at a cost of less than $3. There is another video that will be made illustrating how to make your own placemats using cotton batting. So please subscribe to Sewing with Desi for additional do-it-yourself Avenger accessory projects and other projects just in time for the Christmas holidays.